Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Imagine getting trading signals instantly inside your terminal instead of checking multiple apps and telegram groups. That's where alpha feeds come in. In this video, I will show you how traders integrate alpha feeds so signals appear directly in their trading dashboard. But before starting the video, if you have enjoyed Padded Trade Terminal, you can use our referral code CryptoWhale, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for referral link, which is available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever with the help of this referral code. Okay, and it's free to use. So, what is an alpha feed? In crypto trading, an alpha feed is simply a source of information that alerts you about potential opportunities. These signals might include new token activity, unusual trading volume, large wallet transactions, and market trends. So, why traders use alpha feeds? The answer is very simple. Instead of manually searching for tokens, alpha feed bring information to you. This helps traders save time, monitor multiple markets, and spot activities faster. Okay, so as of step one, find a reliable alpha source. The first step is choosing a reliable source for signal. Alpha feeds can come from analytic dashboards, trading communities, and automated monitoring tools. But in this case of our Padded terminal, the alpha feed is already integrated into this website. You can check for this alpha feed on this option, alpha feeds. Okay, so here you will see all the updates regarding the market, all the information like the trading communities and analytic dashboard, each and everything from these settings here. Okay, as you can see there. So let's see this alpha tracker here, and you can see all the details here. Okay, so you in this way you can also organize your dashboard. You can you can put it on the left side if you want to do this. Okay, that somehow if you want to move it aside, you can do it. Like in my case, I put it on the left side. Okay, so you might place it on the signal alerts, token chart, and trading panels all in one view. You will get all these details in one view. So verify signals before trading. Okay, so if even if a signal appears promising, always verify it. Check things like liquidity levels, trading volume, contract details, each and everything. Use signals as a research note for the automated trades. Okay, they are not guaranteed profits. So if you are new to alpha feeds, start with one or two reliable sources. Too many alerts can become overwhelming. Okay, so alpha feed can make your trading terminal much more powerful by bringing important informations directly to you. If you want more tutorials about crypto trading terminals and on-chain tools, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, goodbye.